This is Flora, and I'm part of the Featured by Binance team, and we are super excited to be here. For those of you who haven't heard about us, we are the decentralized NFT platform incubated by the Binance's innovation arm called Binance X. And the mission of Binance X has always been finding ways to grow the blockchain ecosystem as a whole. And our team became very interested in NFT as we observe the trend of digital assets moving onto the blockchain. Our vision is really to provide a non-custodial on-chain platform to facilitate the full life cycle of NFTs for creators, for brands, and their fans. We're focusing on helping our brand partners, large or small, launching NFT assets with strong, unique narratives. We have a marketplace allowing everyone to trade these assets and a set of creator tools for virtually anyone to mint, to sell, and showcase their NFT creations. As we all experienced in the past couple of years, the pandemic has really accelerated the shift into digital. And that happens in many aspects of our lives, the way we work, the way we play, the way we entertain ourselves, the way we socialize. All these has been transformed. At Featured by Binance, we're looking forward to help many brands leveraging NFTs to build a closer relationship with their fans. And for the next few minutes, I'll give you a quick walkthrough of our platform. And the first thing that I would like to share is that there are two parts to our platform. We have a primary drop functionality where we help bigger brands launching their NFTs. And we also have a secondary marketplace where any creators can self-mint and sell their NFTs. And I would like to give you a couple of examples of our primary campaigns. This is a campaign that we just finished earlier this week. It's a campaign with Balmain. They are the popular French fashion house, and we have turned part of their 2021 fall and winter collection into an NFT collection. In addition to being the exact 3D replicas of these runway pieces, owner of these NFTs will be able to wear these pieces in metaverses. So we partner with a company called Avatar, and they're focusing in fashion metaverses. Basically, you, or specifically your avatar, can wear these super rare fashion pieces and walk around in the different virtual worlds. As we have wrapped up the campaign earlier in the week, if you are still interested in any of these pieces, or you're very interested about the experience of how to wear them, you can really visit our collection page to see if any of owners have decided to put them up for sale. For our next primary campaign, we will be turning special moments of a South Korean TV music series into an NFT collection. This show, it's like American Idol, except the contestants are actually K-pop idols. And many of these groups actually already have worldwide fans. The show is being broadcast to 76 countries, and it actually has a very elaborate rating scheme. For example, the volume of the digital sales, the number of viewership of their music video. Fan participation has been playing a very integral part in every aspect. And the SBS MediaNet, the broadcasting company that produced this series, and their official partner, K-Star Live, are working with us to find ways to use these NFTs to engage with their fans. Starting the next few days, we will be reviewing 5 K-pop groups. So if you know anyone who's into K-pop but they are not yet into crypto, please share the series with them. Perhaps we can get more users into blockchain ecosystem. All right, now I want to show you how easily it is to use our site. Well, the first thing that you probably want to do is connect your wallet. So what you need is really go to our feature.market homepage and select the Connect Wallet button on top right corner of the site. And after selecting that button, a pop-up will display where you can connect to one of our 4 supported wallet providers. You may proceed to click on the wallet providers of your choice here. As you can see, we support Taurus, Binance Chain Wallet, MetaMask, and Trust Wallet. So the next thing you might want to do is set up your profile. Featured by Binance, we actually don't have the typical username, password, account situation like many decentralized apps. All the functions can be accessed by your wallet. So setting up your profile is really an optional function, but people seem to like it. So on the top right corner, click on your address. A submenu will pop up and you can find the profile menu item there. When you are at the profile page, you can proceed and click on this button says complete profile. You can upload your profile image. You can create a unique username and write your descriptions and add your social media handles so that the other creators or your collectors can contact you easily. Like I said earlier, this is really entirely optional for you. Once you're done, just click on save and your profile will be updated. And you can come back to visit your, edit your profile at any time. And the next thing that people often want to do is to figure out how to mint an NFT. And to get started, what you want to do is really click on that create button on the top menu bar. And at this time, you have to make a choice whether just mint an NFT or you actually want to create a collection of your own. So each NFT actually belongs to a collection. And if you do not have a custom collection, then your NFT will be minted into our featured community collection. And before you proceed, you actually want to make sure at this point that you want to have some BNB. So Featured by Binance is built on top of Binance Smart Chain, and BNB is a native token there. The cost of minting NFT, of course, depends on the network traffic. Average is around 60 cents to 80 cents to mint an NFT. And the cost of creating your own collection is around $6 to $8. If you need more BNB, we actually build in 2 fiat on-ramps. So you can actually buy BNB directly with our partners using credit card and other payment methods. And the BNB would be delivered to your wallet directly. So there's actually a submenu called Buy BNB that you can look for it. Now what you want to do is really select to mint an NFT. So next up is really to add all the relevant information that needed to mint your NFT. Of course, the first thing is really to drag and drop your digital assets. And we support video, audio, image, animated GIFs. You basically want to upload assets and fill all the information such as title, description, and URL for further information. And one thing that you want to pay more attention is this royalty rate. This royalty rate actually allow the original NFT creator, which is you, an opportunity to earn a specific percentage of the NFT sales that's been made in the future. And this value is hard-coded into NFT, so no subsequent buyers or seller can actually tamper with it. And we typically recommend around 10% for the royalty, and that seems to be the industry standard. But on our system, you are free to choose anywhere between 0 to 50%. And after you have filled out all the information, just click on Mint NFT. And the platform will actually prompt you to authorize transactions using your community wallet. And once you're ready, just click on Confirm. And that's all you need to do to mint an NFT. Featured by Binance will take care of all the rest of the processing behind the scenes. After a little time, you will see this yellow message. Your NFT are minted successfully. There are actually a lot of other features on our platform, such as you can actually list your NFT right after you mint it. I would encourage you to visit our documentation site, where we have more information on how our platform works, some videos you can watch and tutorial articles you can read. As this is all the time we have, you guys know how to find us on Twitter. and I look forward to chatting with you all soon. Thank you very much.